Hi guys, and welcome to a new video on Minimal Nerd. Today I have a very special video because we're gonna compare 5 different home speakers. So we got the HomePod here, we've got the HomePod Mini, we've got the Google Home Mini, we've got the Echo Dot, the new one, we got the Nest Audio, also from Google. So we have 5 home speakers here, different sizes, different prices, from different companies, and we're gonna see what most of you really care about, sound quality. So I'm not really gonna compare the assistants because that's a kind of different video. So we're gonna have to compare the commands and all this kind of stuff. But today we're gonna focus on the audio quality. So for the price, for what you pay for, what kind of audio quality would you expect? We're gonna do a direct comparison. So I'm gonna use the microphone up top here. I'm gonna bring it closer to each device. So this way it's fair. I'm gonna use the same music, copyright free from Spotify, and this way we have a really good comparison. So stay tuned and watch the video.
From far away, but you always knew you'd be the one to work while they all play. And you'd lay awake at night. I didn't sell my soul for rock and roll. This is who I am. Lost in a world out of control. You don't know where I've been, 'cause I've come back from nowhere. Lost in a world of strange, like a heart and weapons. And watch from far away, but you always knew you'd be the one to work while they all play. And you'd lay awake at night and scheme of all the things that you would change, but it was just a dream. I didn't sell my soul for rock and roll. This is who I am. Lost in a world out of control. You don't know where I've been, 'cause I've come back from nowhere. Lost in a world of strange, like a heart and weapons. Watch from far away, but you always knew you'd be the one to work while they all play. And you'd lay something getting underneath your skin. Feel it turning to I didn't sell my soul for rock and roll. This is who I am. Lost in a world out of control. You don't know where I've been, 'cause I've come back from nowhere. Lost in a world of strange. Like a heart and weathered soul tattooed, never given anything.
Child, you would wait and watch from far away, but you always knew you'd be the one to work while they all play. And you'd lay awake at night.
Rising up and getting underneath your skin. Feel it turning. I didn't sell my soul for rock and roll. This is who I am. Lost in a world out of control. You don't know where I've been, 'cause I've come back from nowhere. Lost in a world of strange. Like a heart and weathered soul.
Watch from far away, but you always knew you'd be the one to work while they all play. And you'd lay awake at night and scheme.
Rising up and getting underneath your skin. Feel it turning to leather. I didn't sell my soul for rock and roll. This is who I am. Lost in a world out of control. You don't know where I've been, 'cause I've come back from nowhere. Lost in a world of strange. Like a heart and weathered soul.
So after listening to all of these devices, I honestly believe that the HomePod is the best quality when it comes to sound. It's not the loudest. The Nest Audio is actually louder, but the HomePod is the best quality when it comes to rich sound. So you really feel the bass, you feel the highs, you feel the vocals. And so overall, it's my first pick for sound quality. The second, I would definitely go with the HomePod Mini. So again, Apple wins this round for sound quality. It's not the loudest, but it's still in this small package, you can feel the richness of the sound. So all the levels of the sound, the highs, the mids, the bass, all of it is kind of balanced together. And it's not the loudest, but it's, you know, the quality is really good. I would say second when it comes to audio quality is the Nest Audio. It's loud, but like I said in my previous video of the Nest Audio, like it's not really the richest sound. So it gets louder even than the HomePod, but after 80% of the volume, like you feel the distortion of the vocals and the bass is not really there. So I would say it's better than the Google Home Mini or the Nest Mini, but it's not really the quality of the HomePod. And the second, so 1, 2, 3, and the fourth will be for me the Google Home Mini or the Nest Mini. The Nest Mini has an upgrade for a little bit of more bass, but the Google Home Mini is not far behind. So I would pick this one for quality of sound for this small package. Gets louder than, let's say, the HomePod Mini or even the Echo Dot. And I like the sound quality, but it lacks the bass. Even at high volume, you can like the bass is not there. And the last one, my least favorite, is definitely the Echo Dot. I'm sorry, but like the sound quality is really rubbish here. I tried different settings. There's nothing you can do much to improve the sound quality, but honestly, like I do feel the Echo Dot has the worst sound quality here. It's louder, let's say, than the Google Home Mini or even the HomePod Mini, but the sound quality is really bad. Like the vocals, the highs, the mids, everything is all over the place, and I'm not a big fan of the sound quality here. If you're a fan of Alexa, maybe that's why you would get it and you already have your skills set up and all of this. But for the pure sound quality, I would rank this finally HomePod first, HomePod Mini for sound quality, Nest Audio, Google Home Mini, and then the Echo Dot. So that's my verdict. That's how I feel about the sound quality. Of course, try to listen again to the audio samples that I did. And if you don't agree with me, that's fine. But I believe that other reviewers also had kind of similar results. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one.